Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a macro. Macros are powerful tools that automate repetitive tasks, saving you valuable time and reducing the chance of errors. Imagine performing a sequence of 10 steps with just one click. We'll cover everything from recording your first macro to understanding basic editing and important security considerations, ensuring you can leverage this feature effectively. To record your first macro, begin by ensuring the Developer tab is visible in your application. Click Record Macro, then give it a descriptive name and assign a convenient shortcut key, perhaps Ctrl+Shift+M. You can also choose to store it in your personal macro workbook for global access. Once you start recording, perform your desired actions, and when finished, simply click Stop Recording. It's that straightforward to capture a sequence of operations. After recording, you might want to refine your macro. You can access the Visual Basic for Applications or VBA editor by pressing Alt+F11. Here, you'll see the code generated by your recording. Don't be intimidated. Even small adjustments, like changing a specific cell reference from a 1 to B2 or adding a simple message box, can significantly customize its behavior. This allows for greater precision and flexibility beyond the initial recording. For enhanced usability, consider assigning your macros to custom buttons on your quick access toolbar or directly within your ribbon. This provides a convenient, one-click execution. Regarding security, it's crucial to set your macro security level to disable all macros with notification to protect against potentially harmful code. Always exercise caution when enabling macros from unknown sources. Remember to regularly test your automated processes and back up your files, especially when working with important data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.